Welcome guys. So what you're seeing on your screen right now is a typical example of what a calendar, a content calendar should look like. So for the sake of our content creation journey, for the sake of our challenge that we are doing, it's going to be running for 30 days. So you can see that I've been able to create this content calendar running from the first day of the month to the 30th day of the month. Now this is going to be used for posting on YouTube for 30 days. So you can actually adopt this system to post your content on any of your platform. You can use this for any of your platform. Now you can see the first one, the first on the top there, you can see the day. Let me zoom it. On the top here, you can see the day. On the next column, with the next row, which is another column, you see the video title and then the report. Report is the feedback. Was the video short? Was it posted? You put done. Are you getting now? So if you've done the video, you put done. If you've not done it, you are going to put undone. Are you getting now? So this is just a typical example of what your content calendar should look like. Now you might be asking, maybe one question on your mind is, how do you create this content calendar? How do you come up with something like this? Just wait for a moment, I will show you how to do it. So the way we do this is very simple. We are going to be using ChatGPT. Are you getting it now? So if you don't know, ChatGPT is an AI app that actually helps you to come up with ideas, whatever ideas you want to come up with, so that you don't have to be brainstorming for a long time. Now there are different ways you can come up with your idea, but ChatGPT can help you to get it faster. Are you getting now? So let me take you to ChatGPT and show you exactly how we generate something like this. Although this one you are seeing now is a combination of the different ways I did the research. It's a combination of both using ChatGPT and different methods of generating idea. That's why you are seeing all this now. So it's not all ChatGPT, but if you are somebody that you are lazy and you don't want to stress yourself, you can use ChatGPT. But ChatGPT is not going to give you 100% of what you need. So you should understand that. Are you getting it now? So let me go to ChatGPT. Let me on my data. Let me go to ChatGPT and just show you how we come up with something like this. Now, another way to come up with ideas is to also pay attention to what people are saying. Do you get it now? You need to pay attention to what people are saying. If you don't pay attention, you cannot know the kind of content you want to create. Sometimes you will create a content, people will love it, and they will go to comment section and say, please make more of this content. Are you getting now? They'll say, please make more of this content about something. That comment alone is an idea of something you should create. That is telling you that a lot of people want that idea. Are you getting now? So you must be very attentive. Sometimes you need to go to the comment section of a trending post or a very engaging post. Go to the comment section and check, what are people saying? What are their complaints? What are their pain points? What are they happy about? Those are the things that will give you insights to the kind of content you should be creating. So I'm just showing you how to use ChatGPT to do this. Now, if you don't know how to get this, you can go to your Google Chrome. Go to your Google Chrome on your phone and type ChatGPT. All right, type ChatGPT. Let me show you. Let me quickly show you. You come to, where's my Chrome? This is my Google Chrome. Just follow what I'm doing. All right, come to Google Chrome here and type ChatGPT. See what I'm typing? Just type it. All right. Before, I normally use Google Chrome to search it to do whatever I'm doing, but right now I have the app. Are you following now? So you can see this is ChatGPT here. Mine is saying update because I already have it. Yours is going to be saying install. just like what you see on top here. Yours is going to be saying install, so you click on install. So once you click on install, it will be installed on your phone, and once you install it on your phone, you will see open. It will show you something here telling you to open. Once you open it, you have to go through a verification process using your email and all of that. And once that is settled, you have the access to come to a page like this. Are you seeing it now? So let's just do a little example of how you can come up with your content. For instance, now I will say maybe I'm somebody who creates content around travel. Let's use travel as an example. Let's create a 30-day content calendar on a travel video, right? Travel video channel. So follow me now. When you want to tell ChatGPT what to do, you have to give it a very specific prompt. Whatever you are saying to it has to be clear enough for ChatGPT to understand. So for instance, let's say I'm a YouTube travel content creator. I will come here and say, I have a travel YouTube channel, right? Create a 30 days content calendar about hot topics in the travel niche. Follow me, guys. This should be targeted at both Nigerian audience and Africans. Follow me, Nigerian audience and Africans. Can you see I'm specific? This is not even the best kind of prompt you can use, but we're just showing you an example. This should, okay, let's say make it for 30 days daily for March. Are you seeing the way I'm creating it now? So you can use this same pattern for your own kind of content. All right, now let's just, once you are done with this, you click on this arrow you are seeing here. Click on the arrow. Are you seeing this now? Click on the arrow and it will start giving us the content that we can create. Can you see now? This is lovely. This is very beautiful. See what is happening on my screen now? It's bringing out all the content that you should create. Can you see? Even with the date. Oh, are you seeing this now? Even with the date. So it's going to give you till March 30 because we told it for 30 days. Are you seeing this now? So look at. This is wonderful. Can you see? It's saying top 5 budget-friendly countries Nigerians can visit without breaking the bank. These things, you don't even have to travel. You can sit in your room, set your camera and start doing videos. Are you getting this now? Now, you know that there's also a place for doing research. You understand? So by the time you start talking about this, by the time you get to your day 30 or your day 15, people will start commenting, people will start asking questions. And from the comments they are making, you can also generate content idea. Are you getting now? From the content they are creating, from the comment they are making, you can generate content idea and add it to this one you have. So there's no way you will say you don't have ideas to post. So what you do next after this is to pick up this content, go and create a table on your Microsoft Word or your document folder online. Create a table just like what you have here. Copy it out. Once you copy it out, you hold it. If you want to copy, you hold for long. You hold for long and then you click on copy and then you take it to your notepad or your Microsoft Word, create a table just like this one. Just like this one now you see here. Create a table and then set it like this. And then you have your content that you'll be posting every single day. You don't have to do 2, just do 1 every day. Just do 1 every day. If you follow this, you are going to definitely see results on your channel. If you don't want to be doing YouTube, you can use this idea for your TikTok. You can use this idea for your Facebook. But basically it's for YouTube, all right? YouTube and TikTok. Are you getting now? So this is how you can come up with your content calendar and solve the problem of how to get content. Are you getting now? This is how you can do it. I believe that you have learned something from this. If you got value from this video, please just like for me, subscribe for me. Make sure to turn on the notification bell. I know you want to grow. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so that when I post more things, you will always be notified. If you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section. All right. If you are watching this from YouTube and you have not joined our content challenge, if you are a small channel, you are just starting and you want to grow your channel and start monetizing, and you are watching this and you have not joined our community, we are having a challenge. Join. Go to the link in the description, click on it, join. All right, make sure you join. If you want to join my business group, I have a link in the comment section. I will pin the link there. Check for it. All right, make sure you join, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy.